Hey guys, welcome back to the shop in the dome here in the garage. Today we're going to rip apart the interior on the WRX, get it ready to run some new power cable, do some sound deadening, start setting up some stuff in the trunk. We're going to come over here, we're going to pull out seats, center console. We already have the rear seat out, but we're going to pull out the carpet, pull the trim panels off, the headliner, and the all the sail panels and stuff. So let's get started. Alright, so we're inside the car now. We're going to start by removing the front seats, get us a little more room to work in here. Then we're going to pull some of these trim panels, pull the headliner out, pull the center console, pull the carpet. So probably be a lot of time-lapse video in this one, but here we go. Alright, so got the lower portion of the interior out. As you can see, there's the floor, no carpet, a little bit of sound deadening from the factory. It's a little dirty under here, so we'll clean this up good, vacuum it out, get it ready. We're going to lay down some good sound deadening material. Kill mat like this. And we'll line the whole floor with it. That'll help keep the road noise down, keep the whole car a little quieter. I'm going to work on pulling these upper panels now. and then we'll wrap it up for tonight. Here comes another time lapse. So from here we're gonna, next video, we'll prep the floor and we'll get some sound deadening down on it. Some on the ceiling, we'll get the trunk done, all the sound deadening done. I'm gonna see if I can find a new carpet, because that one's pretty shot. Maybe one out of an STI, maybe STI seats, see what's out there. The headliner, as you can see, it's pretty stained. The board itself is in pretty good condition, cracked in a couple places from me pulling it out, but I may just see if I can recover that. Maybe we'll put the weight on it. But that'll be probably the last thing. If I clean all the side panels, just as dirty as that headliner is, most of the side panels are pretty much in the same condition. So hit that subscribe button, give me a like, go give me a follow on Instagram at the Dome is here, or at Dome Detailing, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Coming right along on the project. Said we'll work on the interior some more, get the sound deadening down, and then from there start working on putting in the airbags, setting up the management system and everything else in the back. Thanks again guys for watching. Give me a like and a subscribe please if you like the videos. See you soon.